Okay, so we're live on this. I got my screen record on. In case you're following, you still there? Hang on, I got a mic issue. You hear me? Hello? Okay, well, I know I'm still recording on my laptop, so move on from here. Hopefully, you hear everything. So, this is the all chart for ttwo, Take-Two Interactive Software. It's a technology services package software company, more famously known for the GTA and the Rockstar companies. Also does the NBA 2K series. Okay, I'm started the screen recording. As soon as it's over, I should be able to look at it, if I'm not mistaken, on the phone as well. So you're on the year chart. As I go, try to keep up. I'm going to go slow on it, but we'll just go basic by basic. So it's 2028 to 2024. I've pulled up the all chart for all the years for Take-Two Interactive Software. We're going to go ahead and see the key stats that we're looking at. So in earnings days, we have 77 days until the earnings report comes out. We're expecting a higher earnings report, even though GTA 6 has yet to drop and many of their other properties are still either 3% or 8% up in sales, including GTA Online and the Red Dead Redemption series. Moving on, the value for today was 1.59 million, and the average 30-day value was 1.67 million. At the time of GTA 6's announcement, the volume was on average 25 million to 35 million, and its current market cap is 25.16 billion. So as we scroll down to the earnings as well, in 77 days we'll find out. It's expected a little bit lower on average, is the sentiment. What most people think it's going to end up being. Take-Two Interactive does not pay dividends yet. Its quarterly statements have been fairly average, and its performance goes as follows. So in the last week, it's been negative 2.97. In the last month, it's been negative 12.18. In the last 3 months, it's been negative 6.17. In the last 6 months, 3.131. And year to date, it's been negative 7.91. And overall for the year, it has been 33.83, which is very good. As far as the technicals go, is what most of the analysts say is selling it. But ironically enough, besides the technicals, most people want to either buy or eventually hold this stock. It's in 1 year, the price target that they've predicted was $176.61 shares per share. As far as all the other technical things, we're just going to go straight to the charts. So ever since 2001 to 2004, we've seen a steady rise. 2010 to 2022, we've seen a remarkable rise, mostly due to what we speculate is GTA 5's release. From a price target of $6 a share to, we'll go ahead and say, at peak on February 1st, 2021, it reached a total price of $188.34 a share. So that's a very remarkable rise for such a company that just does video games. So we're going to go ahead and go into the month chart and go into the meat and potatoes. Actually, no, we'll start with 3 months. 6 months, actually. Sorry. So at the 6-month chart, we can see all the way back from around July 17th, 2023. Price action goes down. It's a dip at Tuesday, the 8th, August 2023, at 137.94 share. And we can see steady growth up until November 6th, 2023, where we saw a decent dip. It wasn't by that much. We'll calculate how much. Let's realize we can measuring tool. 11% down on a dip over, let's see, a span from October 11th to 2023 to October 31st, 2023. We see a 11% dip. So only 19 days, 20 hours, and its average value was 1.8 millions. It's fairly projected to go up after that, though, as it's shown on the chart. It did. So we could estimate that 133 to 130. We'll do 130 because it does say our average low is 130.34. So we'd expect price action to be 130.22 to its high, which was January 26, 2024. It reached a remarkable 169.57, a share. So if price action continues to move forward, we would expect that we could get ttwo Interactive for a discount at $130 a share to maybe $140 a share. And right now, current price action it's sitting right here in this green zone, as you can see on the video. So where do we go from here? If earnings continues to be bad, we expect 130, and that's our entry. That's where we want to get in. More or less, we want to sell at 174, 164, and 147 if it does get below 130 a share. We could expect a $10 profit per share if it does get that low. Now we'll do the prediction or the speculation where it doesn't go that far. We still expect it to be in zone here. So I've marked off one GTA 5 announcement, and it's possible insider trading. We knew that insider trading was going on. Many of the CEOs bought a lot of shares, and in recent reports, we knew that they dumped a couple. The reasoning behind it, we can only speculate. We can only take good guesses, but we can see here on the chart that last dip in between February 1st of this year and February 15th of this year. We saw a remarkable dip. It was, to be exact, over the span of a day is what it looks like. Yeah, over the span of one afternoon. So right before the market closed at 1300 hours on February 8th, 2024, we saw a price drop from 172.03 to, you see the bottom of that candle. Let's see, the low was, says here, 151.50. A remarkable dip, but you can only speculate why. It still hasn't reached the level where GTA 5 was announced, or GTA 6, sorry, was announced, which was November 7th. But it's getting remarkably close. So here are the price points of the levels. So we've concluded our price action. What we want to buy, a 132, maybe 130 at the bottom. If it breaks away lower than 130, let's see, go back even further, 3 months. So that's maybe a 6-month price action, according to this chart. Not too long ago, October 31st of last year, we saw a 130. A 129, sorry, let's see where we're at. Yeah, a 129 bottom. So we stand to gain and risk. We stand to risk $20 if we buy now. We stand to gain $30 to $40 if we buy now. If price action continues in the green zone, I have marked there. So, any questions? Let's see if I could go ahead and send this to you.